Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan Rashapi da ke Rupa, Ryngkat bat ke Orange Nissan, Lom Sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hadin ki Lehniam be Deiñkhlam, ha keleng ki Raij ye berada pelong, ha kini ke teopan sakarat Mukhla. Kala pendap ya kini ke Lehniam ke basisin sisnem, ban be ke sniu ke sme na ke emlang ke salang. Karat Mukhla kala sedang ya ke Lehniam be Deiñkhlam. Nadok arpo terik penai nailar arjar kat kendai, kabala kut nopat ha ke arpulai terik minta hiu penai, bat ha kini ke Sngi ke bakat du. Lawan isi mentah syirhem de kon ke sing Raij, ki berang bat ikan niam ten Raij, ni ke niam teri. La pensyong syit syuk ya kini ke syat niam be Deiñkhlam, da ke jingwan sakilang, da menteri rang bak ke jela ukon rat ke sang ma, nalor kiwi de ki menteri ki MLA bat ki MDC, jong ke Giant Hills Autonomous District Council, bat ki hajar ngut ki pat bak. How news nem ki kon ke Raij, na ki dong paper jong Snong Mukhla, ki lawan ra hadu ispotli rod, ha ait nar, ki bakit yala ki jong ki jingmun. Ki jing Lehniam bala pendap ha kini ke Sngi ke bakat du, kadai ke Lehniam Edan, Ekhat, Shakablais Iem, Klam, Bam Salong. Nang ta ke kenya, ha kloblai, ka kenting knong ke sedang na yeng ke lang do, penbut pat sakabam do kenya. Ha kapon no pai Sngi pat ki kon ke Raij Mukhla, kila penyang ya ki lightly ki Deiñkhnong, Deiñblai, kumjuk ki rod na ki dong paper, ha madan slot masi, bat hadien pat ya kini ki lightly ki Deiñkhlong, la leit ra sya aitnar kentup ya weu Deiñkhnong, ubaret ublawan ra da ka sankur na wa Snong. Bat artli ki bakham he, belawan ra da ka Mukhla nong rem, bat Mukhla lang chor, bat ki spotli ki rod balashna kerpang da ki dong paper.
This festival has not only been a festival where we drive away the evils in society, but as was being mentioned, it has become a part of the identity of the people of Giant Hills and a part of the identity of the people of the state. It has become a tourist attraction where people from all over the country today and the state also, they come and become part of this festival and witness this festival. I always encourage all our different communities in the state that we must always keep these traditions alive, ensure that we celebrate them in the right way, and ensure that other people from other parts of the country can get a glimpse of what our culture is all about. I know that these different memorandums have been submitted to me regarding creation of infrastructure out here. I can assure the organizing committee that along with our local MLA, we will work hand in hand to ensure that we will be able to create the necessary infrastructure for the future celebrations that will take place out here and continue to be celebrated in the years to come. And we hope that this program and this kind of a festival becomes bigger and bigger so that we have more participation of people and tourists especially coming to witness and get a glimpse of the traditional and cultural heritage, the rich cultural heritage that we all have.
Có Oswald sedang ini kerat kam jo la yao sem klam ram shlong wada penihari ya kaniam gurukom ne kesngi daman skedul po pen daman skedul yo ai ta chit kes is jing che yang kesngi wo miet wo yo ai wan sok wan sai te hado gi officers ki wada yem lang thirubi ne kam jo le ya ki press ki media ki wadi em lang ya warok wi amlang ni kam jo le ya ucukes wem burom yang i ute to u sar konrad ke sangma udaya amlang churwi tehni por priang burom mi piwaro chagani ga beden klam yang i zaman ne sket kwa yosuk yok men hado kate te yoluti lini le maliwan the sni le yao te de poi ne sket ka por poi ga semoi ideale yu bot den baden top kat wa ye kat wa lai dat ne de poi ga ski go khat do ha po ga ni ga se mic nar te joy por wow e ku play nado u deputy CM yang ke council yang i uma laski uma pasman dekani uma lakon dekar yoma winning UMO MDC na mogayao constituency yoma JC Siam UMDC na ka Modamai constituency yoma Bright Star Cermang UMDC na ka Mimintru constituency yoma uma optomo lamin wo jo em lang wo i na ka por yawaro ki officers ni department you pair you
Shri Sostinus Sotun, which is the MLA of Jirang constituency. Thank you, sir, for your presence. We would also like to welcome Shri Vailat Niki Shila, which is the MLA of our constituency.
Priang Puromi yagi yawin. Hadin yang ketua ceri dawan ra ya kani sebui kerong dawan ra da kadang lam Mukhla yaw templeng.
Sekalian
Ini